Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing technical analysis in gold. We'll start the analysis from daily time frame, then to the hourly time frame, then down to the 30 minutes and 5 minutes time frame. In all the time frame analysis, I'll be sharing the support and resistance level. Please watch the video fully so that you can know the resistance and support levels for each time frame, based on which you can decide your entry and exit for your trades. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers. You can use the link placed in the description section for joining our Telegram group. So I am in daily time frame now. I've already marked the support and resistance level in a higher time frame, and here when we notice it, we have several support and resistance level. Presently I have drawn the resistance level over here, and you can see the direction of the resistance line. It is narrowing down. On the bottom side also we have the support lines where the candlesticks have taken supports. You can see that it has properly respected all the support levels, and also I have drawn one more support level which is actually extended support level, where the shadow of this candle has taken support, and next time the next full candle has taken support over here. So when the present price action breaks this support level, we can expect the next level of support to be at this level. If it manages to break this support level also, we can expect a further fall and test this bottommost support level, which is around 1726. Currently when we notice the price action has gone from here and again gone up, and then it has made a very good move on a bullish side and retraced the same level and has taken support on this support level, which is around 1764. And when we notice, every time when the price action comes to these ranges 1764 to 1753, always the price rebounces when it touches this area. So from this action we understand that this area is a very strong support level for this currency pair. So whenever the price comes to this level, we can confidently go on a bullish side, because the price has been bouncing back every time it tests this level. I have marked the next level of resistance also. This is the immediate resistance, which is 1793, and next level of resistance is around 1808, and above it we have the 1828. So presently when you notice a price action, it is trading within this support and resistance level of 1808 and 1764. It is sort of range bound, or we can say consolidating. And current price action also, we can notice that it is making similar patterns which has been noticed in the past. Presently also it is making a similar price action. So we can expect the price action to go again on the top, test this level, again fall sharply and break this support level and go and test on the next level of support, which is around 1726. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I am in hourly time frame now. As explained in the daily time frame, the current price action is only within this rectangle pattern. The price has come down, again gone up and taken support over here and started its bullish trend, but it couldn't break this resistance level of 1794. From here it has taken a bearish trend, and still it didn't have enough power to test this dynamic support line of the daily time frame, and it has taken a bullish turn. So current price action is actually consolidating within this support and resistance level of 1764 and 1794. I have drawn a resistance line also. It has been respecting this resistance line very well, and also we have a very strong support level on the bottom, which is from 1764 to 1753. Whenever prices touches this level, we can expect the market to bounce back and start its bullish trend. Let us draw the support and resistance level in hourly time frame. These are all the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame, and we have a strong resistance, and also we have the bottommost support level also, which is 1764, where the price has been bouncing back every time when it reaches this level. Properly analyze the market before entering the trade. Draw a trend line like this and decide on your entry point whenever the price touches or tests this resistance and support levels. This would be a very good entry, because we have the resistance line and also diagonal resistance line. So 2 points are meeting, so we can confidently go on a sell side. You have to find a points like this to actually go on a entry. Don't just go on a sell or buy on this point, because it can go downside or it can go on a bullish side also. There is no support and resistance at this level over here. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. So I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. Here when we notice the price action, it was on a very nice downtrend and currently it has started its bullish turn. It has just given a breakout from this resistance level and we can clearly notice that retraced and taken support on this dynamic resistance or support line and it has started its bullish trend. Let us draw the support and resistance levels. These are all the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. You can notice that the current price action has taken support on this support level. I am expecting it to continue its bullish trend, break this resistance level and then continue on its bullish trend. We can notice that previously the price has tested this level and bounced back. We can expect a bounce back on this price level and then retrace back to test on the lower level of the price action. If it breaks this level, we can expect a further bullish trend and test this 1793 level. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. Here I have drawn the resistance line over here. The price was respecting this resistance level up to here and it has given a breakout. When we notice the price action more detailedly, we can see that the price action has taken support on this support line or resistance line and started its bullish trend. But at this level, it couldn't manage to go further and test this level of resistance. So it has again calmed down. But still, this trend line has acted as a very strong support and started consolidating within this level over here. And again from this price level, it started its bullish turn. So drawing a trend line or support line will help you to decide on whether to enter into trade or to wait for the trend to start. We can expect the market to come back and take support on this level, again start its bullish run. As long as this support line is holding, we can expect a bullish trend to continue. But overall, when we notice a price action, as explained in the hourly time frame, it is still range bound market. The price action is going up, again retracing back, again going up. Let us draw the support and resistance level in 5 minutes time frame. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently I have drawn the trend line also. You can see that it has gone on a very nice bullish run. Currently it is consolidating. But you can notice that it has not retraced to the point where it has started its bullish run. As long as this support line is holding, we can expect a bullish market. Once it breaks this support line, we can expect a bearish trend to start. Please mark these ranges in your chart also and decide your entry and exit based on the support and resistance level. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.